You'll hear it everywhere. Bitcoin is digital gold. But is that real or just hype? This comparison didn't appear by accident, and it isn't just marketing. In a world of inflation and uncertainty, Bitcoin is compared to gold because it behaves like gold in the ways that matter most for money. Both are scarce, difficult to produce, independent of governments, and used as a store of value. Bitcoin isn't trying to replace gold's physical uses, it's replicating gold's monetary role digitally. Think of it this way. Gold is valuable because it's hard to find, hard to fake, and hard to inflate. Bitcoin digitizes those rules with code. Gold didn't become money because it was shiny, it became money because it had the right properties: scarce, durable, divisible, portable, and verifiable. Those traits made it reliable across time, preserving wealth through falling empires, not because rulers were trustworthy, but because gold itself was hard to manipulate. Now, let's map those properties directly. Gold is scarce because of geology. Bitcoin is scarce because its supply is hard-capped at 21 million by code. Gold lasts physically, Bitcoin lasts digitally, replicated across a global network. Gold divides with friction, Bitcoin divides perfectly into 100 million smaller units. Gold is heavy and expensive to move. Bitcoin moves globally in minutes and can be carried simply as a memorized phrase. Verifying gold requires experts. Bitcoin is verified by software that anyone can run. This is why central banks hold gold. It has no counterparty risk. Bitcoin offers that same benefit digitally. You don't need permission to hold it or send it. And while some point to volatility, that reflects a new asset finding its price. The core function remains. Moving gold can take weeks and armed security. Moving Bitcoin takes minutes and a signature. Bitcoin is compared to digital gold because it replicates gold's monetary function: scarcity, independence, and long-term value, then upgrades it for the internet age.